Nike did a shock drop restock, and I hit. The Lost and Found Jordan 1 giveaway is over. Here is the winner. Shout out to you. Thank you so much for the love and support that you show me here on YouTube. And thank you to everybody who shows me love each and every month here on the channel, on Instagram. I appreciate you guys so, so much. And don't forget, each month I do a free sneaker giveaway here on YouTube. And you can possibly win by hitting that subscribe button and DMing me proof on Instagram. If you guys can get this video up to an easy 300 likes, the next giveaway will be the UNC Toe Air Jordan 1s. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know your size. And DM me proof on Instagram. DannyMoore2369. This is my personal pair of Lost and Founds, and I've worn them a lot. And I made a big mistake wearing these Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s without Drip Grip sole protectors, the best sole protector on the market. When you apply Drip Grip sole protectors to the outsoles of your sneakers, there's no slips, no tears, multiple wears with each protector, and the best part is, right now, through July 7th, the next few days, you guys can go to Drip Grip and cop Drip Grip sole protectors for 25% off. From the day you're watching this video till July 7th, make sure you guys click my link down below in the description and use my code DANNY25 for 25% off your order from Drip Grip, the best sole protectors on the market. I have Drip Grip on the bottom of my off-white Nike Dunks, and as you guys can see, when I decide to peel off this sole protector, the bottom is gonna look brand new. All the dirt, the mud, the grime, everything is on the protector and not actually on the bottom of my sneaker, keeping these in great condition, lasting longer, keeping that resale value high. If you're watching this video later on, you can use my link and code DANNY10 for 10% off, but make sure you guys cop ASAP to get 25% off from Drip Grip, the best sole protectors on the market. Drip Grip is really protecting the outsoles of my off-white Nike Dunks. Thanks, Drip Grip. Restock, restock, restock. Shock drop, shock drop, shock drop. That's what we got here. A restock, a shock drop of an Air Jordan that to me is Air Jordan of the year, possibly even sneaker of the year as of right now. To me, in my opinion, let me know what you guys think is sneaker of the year so far for you down below in the comments. I have a feeling a lot of people are gonna say the SB Jordan 4s, not me. This right here is my sneaker of the year so far, definitely Jordan of the year so far. These are definitely up there, and I'm so happy I was able to cop from Nike again. I will gladly take another pair for retail as long as this pair doesn't have any major defects or anything wrong with them, because this release, as we all know, was a nightmare for some people on their pairs. I saw a lot of glue stains, a lot of defected pairs. Hopefully this shock drop restock pair is good to go from Nike. Let's see. We have, in my opinion, one of the best sneakers to drop all year. Sneaker of the year, Jordan of the year. Let me know what you guys think about that down below. We have the card right there. And right here, my size as well. Yes, I did get my size 11. If I want to double up, here they are. Or triple up, I think even. I do have a few pairs. Here we have it. The Air Jordan 3 Reimagined White Cement. I know people have returned them back to Nike because of defects. So I gotta quickly take a look at this pair, go over them, make sure that these look good for my standards. And I will say this elephant print is slightly different. I notice it right off the jump. Yep, we got two different elephant prints, big time there, but that's tough. Would you return that back to Nike? Let me know what you guys think down below. Take a look at those elephant prints. Is this something you would return back to Nike? Man, that's tough. That's worse than I thought it would be, to be honest. But hey, still got the Reimagined White Cement 3s for retail from Nike on that shock drop restock. I am very happy. Nike, keep doing these shock drop restocks. It's awesome. It's great. However, stop putting it out there so early. You load it up on the back end and then people see it and then we get the news. Stop doing that. Just drop it as soon as you load it up. Do it right then and there. Boom, done. Makes more sense. No one will know. And I think it's just a better way to drop these sneakers if you're gonna do the restock shock drops. Don't load it up on the site, leave it up there, and then drop the restock the next day. Just drop it, boom, all at once, so no one really knows it's a true shock drop at that point. because these aren't even shock drops anymore. I feel like a lot of people knew about it. A lot of L's were handed out, but also a lot of W's, which is good to see. But it's not really a shock drop if everybody knows about it. Look what's going on right now as we speak with the UNC toes. It looks like we might be getting a shock drop. Everybody's talking about it, but are they loaded up on the back end yet? I'm not even sure. We'll have to wait and find out what happens with the UNC toes, if those do get a shock drop. If we do get a shock drop, I will let you guys know, of course, and we'll do a giveaway nice and early for the UNC toes. So make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Let's get this video up to 300 likes for a UNC toe giveaway next. So not only do I have two different elephant prints, it looks like I have two leathers as well. One is a lot more tumbled here than the other. Both are wrinkled, but one's a lot more tumbled on that toe box than the other. I'm not really sure how these even pass Nike's quality control. Straight from the SNKRS app, I have no idea. This looks like an outlet pair to me. This is something they definitely could have put in the outlets. But hey, it is what it is. I'll take it. Retail, sure. You know, the shoe's not going for much over retail, a little bit over, but I definitely see those prices. One day they will creep up. It is a white cement 3, and white cement 3s are just classic, iconic, a go-to here in the sneaker game, and a lot of people do wear them. A lot of people mess with the 3s, the white cements. It's an OG colorway. Michael Jordan wore it. He did a lot in the 88 white cement Air Jordan 3s. So listen, I definitely believe these will creep up in price. They have dropped, but I do believe that they will go back up and eventually be pretty expensive. So don't sleep too hard on the Reimagined 3s. If you don't own a pair, cop them. I absolutely love them. To me, I keep saying it, Jordan of the Year for me, and definitely so far, even Sneaker of the Year for me. We'll have to wait and see what else drops, but it's very nice to see. We got a shock drop restock of the Reimagined 3s. They also shock drop restock, along with the Reimagined 3s, the UNC Air Jordan 5s. If you guys copped either the 3s or the 5s, comment a bunch of fire emojis down below in the comments right now. If you guys took the L, or hey, you didn't even know about the shock drop, didn't go for the shock drop, comment a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who actually copped on this shock drop restock and who didn't. Is this pair worth returning back to Nike? Please leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts. I don't know if it is. You know, this is a sold out sneaker. They do have a little bit of resale value, and I could use a fresh new pair because my pair is already beat up. I've been wearing them a lot. So I could use this pair, to be honest, to double up on or triple up on. I do have a few pairs, but I am debating on it because this pair, yikes, when it comes to that elephant print. Have you guys seen elephant prints like this? Do you have a pair like this? Is it worse that you've seen? Let me know your thoughts down below. Would you actually return this pair back to Nike? I know some people actually would. You know, even though they're reselling or whatnot, I feel like people would actually still return it that maybe aren't fully into sneakers and don't really care because of this defect right here. It's pretty big. It's pretty big, I'm not gonna lie. Let me know what you guys think about the white cement 3s. Let me know if you guys are able to cop, and let me know Sneaker of the Year. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys go cop Drip Grip Sole Protectors, 25% off right now until July 7th. The link is down below in the description. Go cop your sole protectors for 25% off. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.